can feel the Irish whiskey all over my muscles. Oh wow. Hey everyone, welcome back to my Vlogmas series. In today's video, we are going to be making a low-carb alcoholic drink in the form of one of my favorite holiday alcoholic drinks, a low-carb Baileys, a low-carb Irish cream. Oh, so good. I had a few, so don't mind me. Well, I didn't have a few, I had one, and I'm not a liquor drinker, and it tends to hit me pretty hard. I'm more of a beer / wine drinker, so I can feel the Irish whiskey all over my muscles. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome! My name is Daniela and I'm on a journey to lose 100 pounds, and I'm determined this Christmas to keep things in check. I want to be able to enjoy my Christmas without having to stress about a significant amount of weight gain after the holidays. Like, life shouldn't be about stressing, guys. We can have our cake and eat it too. It's all about balance. It's all about making healthier alternatives for the drinks we like or the foods we like. So that's what I'm doing for this Vlogmas video. Make sure you smash that like button as it helps me out. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we are here to level up. Now let's jump into the recipe. She says she's not a liquor drinker. I promise I'm not a liquor or spirit drinker. This is a Mexican tequila, and you gotta stick around for a future video to see what I'm gonna be doing with this. Anyway, we got our hands on this Irish whiskey created by Co-op. The lovely gentleman recommended this because I told him that I was going to be experimenting on some holiday drinks. I told him I was going to make my own Irish cream, so he recommended this. So you are going to need the following ingredients: 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of Irish whiskey, 2/3 of a cup of monk fruit sweetener, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of instant espresso granules. I just use ground coffee. 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract. I did not have almond extract, so I just put in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is what you're gonna need also. You simply put these ingredients in a blender and blend away. So let's get it done.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
How delicious does that look? I can tell you it smells delicious. Now, a serving size is 2 ounces. So we are going to weigh that out right now. We got 2.1 ounces. Man, those calories add up. And now for a taste test. Oh wow. Oh wow. It's really good. Now, I normally don't have my Baileys with coffee grounds. I just kind of have it straight up. This isn't bad. What I like to do with my Baileys, I like to add milk to it because it's really strong. So I think I'll add some almond milk to this and drink it. All right, so the total amount of calories for 2 ounces, which is a serving, is 158 calories. Macros are 13 grams of fat, 1.1 grams of carbs, and 0.7 grams of sugar. Plus, I believe there's about 0.3 grams of fiber. All right, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button because we are on a mission to enjoy the holidays while keeping our weight loss journey in mind. But we're gonna have our cake and eat it too, within reason. Cheers.